Guys, good morning. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make strudel dough. We are going to put in 1/3 of a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we'll start out with 1/2 cup of flour. We're going to turn on the mixing machine. Let it go for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add another cup of flour. Okay, now it's time to turn off the mixer and see how our dough is coming out. It should be nice, a little tacky. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Smooth as a baby's ass. Okay, now we're going to take our dough, put a little bit of oil in the bowl, vegetable oil, something that doesn't have too strong of a flavor. Roll the piece of dough around. Cover it with plastic wrap. And now we're going to set it aside for 1 hour or more. It's not going to go in the refrigerator. It's going to go on top of the refrigerator. Keep a nice warm spot. Let the gluten relax so we can stretch out our dough and make our strudel. This is the dough that we made yesterday. And we have here 7 apples, peeled and sliced. 1/2 cup of plumped raisins. Some people plump them in just sugar water. I added a little whiskey. 2 handfuls of breadcrumbs. 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. I'm going to take the sugar, the brown sugar, and the teaspoon of cinnamon and mix them together. Now we're going to take the apples and squeeze over them one lemon. Toss it. Make sure all your apples are nice and evenly coated with the lemon.
Behind you.
Just keep everything.
Pusa. 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 Pusa.
When are you gonna finish recording that little clip?
This is another clip.
The dough should be thin enough that you should be able to read through the dough. We are going to take the butter and spread it over all the dough.
Sprinkle it down over the dough.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Here comes the apple race. On your mark, get set, go!
Oh my god. No. 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 Matt's gonna win, I can tell.
Go, go, go,
His
go,
face
go,
shows
go,
it.
go.
Your face looks like a winner face. Whenever you're supposed to start. Winner.
And we have a winner! And the runner-up's prize is spreading the breadcrumbs. The runner-up's prize, spreading the raisins. And the grand prize winner gets to sprinkle the sugar. So now, let's take off the thick edges of the dough. And let's start rolling it up. We're going to take the tablecloth. Okay, we have another version of the apple strudel we can make. We can make it by taking all the ingredients mentioned before, except for the raisins, and cooking them. This will give us less shrinkage in the apple strudel. Now that we have the apples halfway cooked, we're going to put our plumped raisins. Now that our apples are thoroughly cooked, we are going to add half of our breadcrumbs and save the other half for later. Now we're going to take the other half of our breadcrumbs, sprinkle it down over the dough. Now let's take our apples. Now that they're cooked, we're not going to spread them down over the dough. Now, if anybody saw my previous blinzer dough recipe, if you have any cheese left over from your cheese blintzes, because they already have a little bit of egg in it, they already have a little bit of sugar, they're going to be great for apple cheese strudel or cherry cheese strudel, which is one of my favorites. But we have a lot of apples today, and because of the coronavirus, we're not allowed out of the house. Now let's bring over the dough. And roll it up. Okay, now I'm going to score the top. To let a little steam out while it's cooking. And see how it looks. Not too close. Woo-hoo! Boy, does that look good. For some powdered sugar.